Good girl, Clea. Good sit. Here comes your dinner. First the letters, little bit dry food and water. You wanna eat it? Ole hyvä. And yes, she is going to go for the salad first. Probably a bacon. I love you, baby girl. Is it good? Love you.